Welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. And today I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel. So today we are going to check the values for the total marks of each student. As you can see, we have 10. We have a number of students with different scores in different units. You have English, biology, and chemistry. So I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP formula. And what you need to do is to put is equals, then X lookup, then you put the parenthesis, then click on where you be keying in the names, then comma, separate with comma, then select the values or the cells that you want included, then the others, put an additional formula, then select the other, then additional formula, then the others, then close your parenthesis, then press enter. Then you can come here now to look for the totals for this list. Maybe you can type one of the student, for example James, then press enter, and it's showing us the totals of James. We can look also for Mercy, 215 for Kelly. That's it. Bye. Have a good day. See you in the next lesson.